I think she's going to say something.
I'm thinking. नहीं, and he's so funny. He won't say sorry. He'll be like, अरे अब कितनी बार माफी मांगू? हमने कब मांगी?
नहीं ज़्यादा आप मत
बस सीक्रेट इज मैंने अभी अली को एक कंघी गिफ्ट की है.
Yeah.
He does very nice pastas and.
Pasta is not cooking, यार. Thanks for saying that.
Pasta is cooking. Yeah, he's melting. Also, it's a girl. He's like, oh, khatam.
No, I think I will be. Actually.
चला. Remember पप्पू कंघी? The character.
नहीं, मुझे तो वो याद आ रहा है, वो रिंग से, वो रिंग में नहीं था वो दैट.
Shut up. तेरी पैंट भी सेक्सी, तेरी शर्ट भी सेक्सी, तेरे बाल भी सेक्सी, तेरी चाल भी सेक्सी, ये लड़का भी सेक्सी है.
Wow. And yours? Okay guys, welcome to Movie Fight and let's do a beginning happy dance because this is the last interview. रात के 10:30 बज चुके हैं तो इसलिए ये एंड इंटरव्यू एंड करने के पहले एक सरप्राइज है, सो इसलिए मैंने हैप्पी डांस पहले कर दिया. ओके, सो वेलकम अगेन. एंड पहला एक सवाल जो आप लोग नहीं चाहते हो कि इस इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाए, जो आंसर कर करके बोर हो चुके हो.
How has life changed after becoming a mother?
थैंक गॉड मैंने
मेरे
लिए भी वही कुछ.
अरे
Really? How's your life changed after becoming a mother?
ओके थैंक गॉड वो लिस्ट में नहीं है सवाल.
Thank you.
लेकिन
Any other questions?
यही मौका.
how did you get the role?
वो भी नहीं है.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, so now introduce your first baby. Girls will be girls to everyone. How you are going to introduce as a producers?
Girls Will Be Girls is a lovely story about a mother and a daughter who rediscover their love for each other when a third party comes into their life in the form of a young exchange student.
Great. And one reason why you choose this film to produce. क्या reason है Ali?
Because it's one of the best screenplays I might have read in my life.
Okay. So Keshav and Preeti, both of you like looking fab. जो हमने देखा, जो मैंने ट्रेलर में देखा, बाकी लोगों ने ऐसे ऑलरेडी देख लिया है. बट लाइक टेल मी, जब फर्स्ट टाइम मीटिंग हुई थी इनसे, सो व्हाट वाज द मीटिंग लाइक विथ द प्रोड्यूसर्स Richa and Ali?
So first meeting was on set.
Yeah.
And I remember Richa ma'am, I walked up to her, I was going to introduce myself. So before I said it, she said, हाँ केशव मुझे पता है तुम कौन हो, मैंने तुम्हारी ऑडिशन देखी है और और and then she said we'll meet अच्छे से शाम को in the resort we were staying in. And I met Ali sir there.
Yeah.
And first question he asked was खाना ठीक मिल रहा है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है? And then he just seemed so worried कि something going wrong. And then
फर्स्ट टाइम प्रोड्यूसर वाला वो
हाँ.
सब मेरे
Nervous
actors
energy.
बराबर है.
तो मेरी नर्वसनेस
Yeah.
वहाँ पे कम हो गई थी because he appeared to be nervous.
और एक ऐसा कोई सवाल जो अब तक इनसे पूछा ना हो और पूछना चाहते हो तुम दोनों?
ऐसा तो शायद नहीं है.
मैं पूछना नहीं चाहती, but I really don't know how you all are managing with everything.
I'm dying.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, yeah, they're doing a great job. I don't want to glorify this, but you still like. I don't think I'll be able to pull this off.
Yeah.
Oh, one question. I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
केशव तेरी ट्यूबलाइट लेट ही जलती है. हाँ,
कि
बोल.
इतना कुछ, I mean, I've heard so much about the industry, about being this, being that, but how are you all so giving, even after so many years in your to people?
I think because we not two reasons. Sometimes because people were giving with us, so we want to give it ahead, and sometimes because people were not giving with us, so still we want to give ahead. So we don't become like those people.
Thank you for allowing me.
And any one advice which you both got from them after coming in this industry? आगे काम करना है, क्या करना है, ऐसा कोई एडवाइस लिया या कभी मिला इनकी तरफ से which you guys took very seriously?
To not rush, because every beautiful thing, every artistic thing takes its time, and I don't think it has to be a capitalistic market producing फटाफट एक के बाद एक back to back करते रहो. Something as beautiful as Girls Will Be Girls has happened, and I think all of us deserve the time to enjoy what it's giving us and also take the time to think about what you want to do next.
And were you all like a rebel in your young days? Like Richa Ali, आपसे start करते हैं.
Definitely, yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're artists. We
कोई
do.
एक incidents which you would like to share?
No. Oh. I mean, lots, yeah, but you know, that's how we push. We push the right buttons and hope that you know it makes an impact somewhere.
रिचा कुछ ऐसा किया हो जिसकी वजह से घर में डांट पड़ी हो?
हाँ, एक बार मैं अपने स्कूल में बंक करके फिल्म देखने चली गई थी. So we used to have divided skirts, so and there was jeggings, you know jeggings.
Yeah.
Jeans which are leggings. So I wore jeggings in the auto and I pulled them up all the way. Then I'll go to the hall and then my mom was like, "Where were you? तुम ज़्यादा पढ़ रहे थे?" I was like, "हाँ, मैं बहुत पढ़ रही थी." But when I was walking, my jeggings started to come down. She was like, "हाँ, मुझे स्कूल से फ़ोन आ गया था कि तुम कितना पढ़ रहे हो." So then I got a nice dance. But they were quite, I think they were amused.
Well, yeah, I can't imagine your parents being like this.
They were like, "Really?"
Okay, quickly, this is a couple quiz. Okay, who is more romantic? Who?
I think
We are both in different ways.
Yeah, equally or different? Oh,
Different ways.
Okay, who is good at remembering dates?
Yeah.
मुझे लगा था ऐसा. Who takes longer to get ready?
Please,
I mean, on a regular day or on a shoot day? On a shoot day, me.
Yeah.
But on a regular day,
अली.
नहाने में टाइम लगता है.
लड़कों को ज़्यादा लगता है ना.
हाँ.
time I feel.
yeah?
No,
But तुम इतना वो लगाते हो परफ्यूम
सिर्फ परफ्यूम में टाइम.
Perfume में time लगता है. Okay. After a fight, who apologize first?
That's not. That's
I'm
not.
not even
Okay.
like, let's not discuss that. It's done.
Who is a better cook?
That's not.
Huh?
I
Who's a
apologize.
better cook?
I apologize instantly, and he apologizes after 2-3 days. मैं उसी टाइम बोल रहा. If I feel like I've made a mistake, I'm like,
that's me.
I'm so sorry, I'm sorry.
That's me.
Finish.
No.
But
So
he
are you
will
cancel?
take 2 days and he'll be
Cancel,
like,
cancel.
are you still angry with me?
वो जल्दी एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते होगे. सोचते होगे क्या मेरी गलती
नहीं,
थी
and
कि
he's so
नहीं?
funny. He won't say sorry. He'll be like, अरे अब कितनी बार माफी मांगू? I'm like, कब मांगी? कब मांगी? ऐसा कल हुआ था
वो
भाई.
भाई
हाँ.
इस पे होने वाली है. एक मिनट. हाँ, चलो.
मैं पूछने वाली थी लास्ट लड़ाई कब हुई थी ऐसे या
बस
बहस?
अभी. कब थे वो?
कल.
Okay. And who is a better cook?
Ali is a
Both of
good
them.
cook.
Yeah.
He's a very good cook.
Yeah, but you are also. You just, you know,
क्या अच्छा
choose
बनाते हैं
when
Ali?
you want to like properly.
I can do like nice Asian Thai type. He does very nice pastas and
Pasta is not cooking, यार. Thanks for saying that.
pasta is cooking.
कोई भी बना ले पास्ता.
तुम तो सॉस बना के पास्ता बनाता है.
Oh, scratch से.
हाँ.
बट नहीं यार, दूसरी चीजें भी आती हैं. मतलब देसी चीजें ज्यादा आती हैं.
हाँ, देसी वाला नाम एक बता दो.
नहीं मतलब ये कबाब शबाब पुलाव
या.
तो बना लेते हैं.
वाओ. खाने का मौका मिला है कभी तुम दोनों को?
नहीं, इनको अभी से भूख लग रही है इनको.
Okay.
भूख लग रही है.
Who is most likely to be a stricter parent?
Oh,
I think me.
yeah.
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 Yeah, he's melting also. It's a girl. He's like, oh. खत्म, finish.
No, I think I will be. Actually.
I've seen how strict you are with Keshav, so come on, I can vouch for that.
Yeah.
डांट पड़ी थी केशव?
पढ़ती रहती है.
Film
नहीं.
कुछ
It's
नहीं.
all pranks. It's all the time I'm being pranked. Yeah.
Okay. Last one is one secret that you would like to tell about him and you about her.
ये तो हम ही लोग कर लेते. तुम लोग सब घूम जाओगे. पूरा interview.
ये वाला segment couples वाला था ना.
Secret नहीं है. It's reason, right? We have secrets. वो तो अजीब है. मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगता है.
I think she's going to say something.
I'm thinking.
नहीं ज़्यादा आप मत.
बस सीक्रेट इज मैंने अभी अली को एक कंघी गिफ्ट की है.
या.
जुल्फे संवारने
हाँ,
के
ये
लिए
नया
उनके
trend
बाल
आया है,
लंबे हो
इसको
गए.
करने के लिए.
डिटैंगलर कंघी.
so use किया.
Yeah, I'm using everything.
तो मैं वो पप्पू कंघी तो कह रहे.
पप्पू कंघी.
नहीं, मुझे तो वो याद आ रहा है. वो रिंग से वो रिंग में नहीं था वो दैट.
Shut up.
This is
रिंग
the
only,
horror
the film.
film.
जैसा मैंने कहा था एंड में एक सरप्राइज है जो अब रिवील हो चुका है, सरप्राइज नहीं रहा है. सो इट्स रिचा's बर्थडे. So obviously we have a little surprise for you.
Movie Girls releasing on 18 December.
And you,
Happy birthday.
फूको, सब फूको. अरे फूक दिया.
Happy birthday
To you. You know, there's a big birthday scene in the film in which the
Yeah.
order of the cake feeding is very important. So today, let me break some rules and feed it to Meera.
What a
Because
smart
in
one.
the film, she doesn't get fed first. Here.
Wow.
Happy birthday to you also. We all have birthdays sometimes in the year. Khaoge?
And I think being a producer first film and what a coincidence. Thank you.
Very
Very
sweet,
sweet.
literally. And so sweet. And my first birthday cake for this year.
Okay. Closing. Ali, closing करने से पहले one something for Richa. We would like to hear from you.
दिल भर मेरे कब तक
कुछ भी
मुझे-
ये ऐसे इतने इतने सस्ते मेरे नहीं होते हैं है ना कि मैं ऐसे ही कैमरा खुला और मैं मतलब बोल जाऊं. भारी डायलॉग्स होते हैं. मैं घर जाऊंगा अच्छे से. we'll talk, we'll chat. Happy birthday, Richa.
Thank you.
The film is releasing on my birthday. It's my biggest gift, guys. Thank you.
All the best, guys, for Girls Will Be Girls.